Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm gonna be a hostess.
Welcome to my channel. And yeah. And inside. So, I'm really making a different time. Like, people really don't make, so I'm not gonna just beat out and put it inside. I don't do like two ones, but we use scissors and cut them.
I mean, I would say Serge could stay with the Swede, like CC Pop and Answer. He can't stay there with the boys. No, boys are allowed to come in. She's having her boy. I think she's not gonna be our roommate. No, I know she's not. Wow. We found a different person.
So here's the one.
The other girl found another white girl.
Has this glue, stone glue, and I have some of this. I might use it, I don't know. This is going to be the container for that, because it opens. So I'm going to cut it now. I'm going to cut the beads now. I'm going to use these two. I don't know yet. Sorry if my voice sounds like this. I'm so sorry.
It says free laundry, free seminar room, free fitness center, free gym. They have a lot of
so I have this one. I really don't know what I'm going to put in my room. So here's my activator, the tide. So I think I'm going to use the cap of the tide to put it in. Or actually, I'm going to put it in this top right here. This is me, my little sister. I love her so much. She's 3 years old, going on 4. It's like she's 4. She's 3 going on to 20.
Thank God the laundry's free. I can do my laundry every week. Can you hang up your clothes, please? Oh my God, yes. Thank you. It's about I need to wash it. Yes, you did. Why didn't you wash it? So when I told you to turn it on, I couldn't turn it on because Robin said Robin was turn it on. So go now before you start this. Yeah, because I have mad stuff to wash. Well, whose fault is that? That's your fault because your guy's been in there for years. It doesn't have music.
The background noise. I'll try to cut it out because I don't edit my videos. My dad does because he knows how to edit. Or my brother and sister does. So
July 1st.
I have one brother.
So I think, what if they just take my tuition money? Because I thought you can ask. I made it so that, on my contract, I made it so that my financial aid was help pay for it.
I'm almost going to have this much left. I think I'm just going to do one because it's really easy. Cut off that little thing there. Sometimes when I have my little sisters, you never know.
Oh, mommy. So we made the slides for our graduation. I thought it was tomorrow. So I was like to everybody, oh, you guys, where is tomorrow? And they were like, where are you supposed? And I was like, for the graduation. And they were like, it's not tomorrow. It's next week. So listen, so you made a slide for what? It has my picture. It has the school. It's going to be showing on the screen, but when they call my name, it has my picture, and then it has the school I'm going to, my major, my minor, and my future career. Yeah, they did it for everyone.
I'm going to put this in fast mode. So
but there's other academies.
Let's transition.
Technology Academy.
Bye. What do you want to do? You just want to just keep cutting until you're almost done. I'm almost done with this one. I have this much left.
So I put that for my major, my medical science, my minor,
I'm in the kitchen because this is a really, really good place that I can shoot a video. So sorry about this, guys. Gonna be a lot of beads, and I just found this one that has the biggest hair ever. So.
And hers says she got into artist program, something like that. And FIU? Yeah. Oh, she's thinking. That's what everybody was saying. She needs to be regular so she can talk. And then they were like, she's tweaking. They were like, she's showing up. And then she was like, should I put this on? And I was like, no, keep it. Don't let anybody tell you. Cici, Ariana's picture, I don't want to show you guys because I want you guys to see at the scene. Well, she wants all those people. UVA is 5,000 videos. Sissy, come here. I don't want to show them on you. The picture? Yeah, the slideshow.
I don't want to see the slideshow.
Yeah, we don't want to see.
Mom, that's gonna ruin everything.
Because you want to
And I just see it through your thing.
Because if you really wanted to see out there,
I can't see it.
but the slideshow is so cute.
You said right was tapping, right? So I tap
Okay,
it,
so
Mom.
this is my last one. This is how it looks. This is how it looks, guys. That's how it looks. It's not that much, though. It just looks like that. So yeah. I feel like I'm gonna do this one, but not right now, because we gotta get in with the slide. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of glue because I'm gonna add some that, but I'm not gonna add too much of that because yeah. So like that's good. I'm not gonna add like really little of shaving cream.
Okay, so I think I'm ready to see the review.
Okay, that's good. I did this much, did that much because that's the only really good thing I can really do. So. I want you guys to comment down below. I want you guys to comment down below what is your favorite color. This is going to turn blue because the tide is blue, so that's why I don't color my slime when I have white. But sometimes I really do. You don't want the beads in yet. Type of activator. I'm really going really quick because I'm slime really quick.
He's little, he wears green. Leprechaun. What the heck? You don't know what a leprechaun is? You don't remember the name.
Oh, you forgot it.
I want it to be sticky, so the I need to trim this.
I want to choose a different picture. She said not to choose a prom picture.
Why?
Because she said we don't normally look like that. And I was like, I don't normally look like my graduation picture either. So she was like, get a different picture there. I was like,
Oh, she came for you, honey.
but everybody uses their graduation picture.
She came for you.
Miss Gillespie said, she saw baby that, this one.
How'd she go?
But she has 2 students.
That go?
That one from the class.
No, one from Pineville and one from someplace else. One from Little John. She said somebody you know, too.
Yeah, I know. It's curly hair. She's short.
So, she said she was talking to her the whole time.
I feel like everything was normal.
Talking to her
I
like,
mean, I really think he has a boyfriend. Because
Oh.
the way he's been acting, it's like he acts like he was never with before. But every time I see him, I think, he's not weird.
if he did the concert yet, I said no. She says, oh, that's the one where you have to tell what you did.
Yeah, but I was just doing that.
That's what I told her.
He's not doing that this
She
way.
said he doesn't
Yeah.
get
I'm
me.
gonna mix them in
She
here.
said, but I said, I don't think
I'm
he's
just
doing
gonna
that.
take these like this hand because I need the other hand.
I'm on the board. Cool, and teachers do that board, students do the board, too. Like, people stop by and do the board. Please stop, my name is Amy.
Like you guys want to make sure you get all the sides because if you don't get the sides,
She goes to go, yeah.
Wait, who?
let me show you how it turns out. It's like you gotta get the sides because if you get the sides, it's really good. So
How does he know what college you're going to?
I know, I'm just
Why aren't they doing that? That'd be really nice.
he does this every year.
What?
Except this year.
Yeah. The state colleges were supposed to have, like, it's like a little ratchet course graduation. Who's been there for a long time. Even if you joined it this year and you're a senior, like, he asked you what
yeah,
class
you
you
do
were
it.
so to say.
I'm gonna put
Yeah,
it
I
on
did this year.
the table now.
I gotta go to the lunch with my
Did I ask you?
So I think
I'm not
I'm gonna
put
put.
colleges or what? So I don't have it as a college state.
I'm gonna put this in now.
Yeah, there's no action.
Because it's like nice and sticky, like the point where you want. Oh, that just came out. It's really good if these come out because I'm really hoping that will happen.
Then I was like, okay. Then when he asked me, he was like, 2 minutes, 30 minutes, I was like, I'm not in the class. He's like, you need a class. So I was like, oh, here it is. I was like, I can't write on that big.
Okay, so put the
I was
beat
like,
in.
well, I don't have anything else, so.
Why are you so nasty?
And he's like, okay, and then he got it, like, thinking of that. And I don't know. What do you mean you can't do it on that between? Because nobody's stopping me because everybody knows who I am. Don't question me when I'm in the hallway. Everybody knows I have a great reputation in my home. Exactly. No security is going to stop me. Mom, they stop all the other kids, but they don't stop me. Do I look like a bad student? No.
Because I said, look at my face.
Alright, your tongue up fully close to charge because mommy.
Yeah. Here, dirty.
Mommy,
what?
charge things.
Oh, so come get me. Thanks, fun. My thing is mine in charge though.
Good. You're not even on your phone.
I'm waiting for it to charge.
What do you mean you're ready for a charge? You can do your work and do it at the same time. Right here.
They're gonna fall out anytime soon, guys. So don't be like, oh, why are they falling out? They're supposed to stay in. They're supposed to fall out sometimes. Just beware. So that's how the sign's looking so far. I think it looks pretty nice. Sorry if it's showing, but it looks really nice. So, see, this actually feels really nice. And guys, I'm gonna do slime collection soon. So, we were at a whole bunch of slimes. So, yeah.
Mine is very good. You want to see the video for walking?
They want me to do a creative writing program for the summer.
Look at this.
Nothing in
Anything you is free. Nothing in America is free. That's why when they give you something free, you better listen. You better slide it on your belly, let it, put your hand out like that. And connect your legs, your fingers
I
to
was
the
too tired last night.
That's the meaning.
So, this slime's actually a really good slime.
Mommy, have you ever seen a pregnant Asian?
After doing some collection, I'm
Never
gonna
have I ever.
give out
So
slime,
she posted,
guys.
she was like, for
So,
those who've never seen one.
this would be one
She
of
posted a
them.
pregnant Asian.
Because I can always make more of these. So, I'm gonna give you like a little satisfying video. But first, I gotta. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I just flew all the way over there. So I'll close it and I'll be right back. So actually, right back. You guys stay up here. I'm gonna go ask about something.
She has to audition again?
Oh, they sing. Let me just see this. This is
Yeah,
wonderful.
I have to audition again.
Let me see it, dirty.
somewhere right now, maybe tomorrow. Or maybe part 2. So, that's how it looks like. See you back in part 2, probably this week. I don't know. Yeah, so probably this week. Sometime.
I know, right?
So bye guys. I'm just gonna do a quick peek. That's what it looks like. So bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, hit the post notifications whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you in part 2. Might be today, might be tomorrow. Sometime this week or next weekend. Anytime, so yeah. And there's gonna be a lot of videos when I have a sister. So yeah. So comment down below what is your favorite color. And comment down below if I should post more videos. Love you guys.